This is one of my favorite meals to eat with my family. I'll show you how to make it. First step, boil some water for your pasta. While your water is boiling, dice an onion. Next step, add 3 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Then add your onions. You don't want to burn the onions, so watch them. So we cooked our onions. Now we're going to add the pesto. I added 6 ounces of pesto. Now we're going to mix it to blend the flavors. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of half and half. It's important to mix so the sauce doesn't stick. Guys, I wish you could smell this. I strained the pasta, now I'm adding it to the sauce. Once the pasta's mixed, turn off the heat and add as much Parmesan cheese as you like. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Bon appetit!